My office has a deck outside, and every year seagulls nest on it. Today I turned around from my desk to see two seagulls, one with a stick in his mouth, walking together along the wall. The male would put the stick down, they'd look, shake their butts, then he'd pick the stick up and repeat this at several spots. They then walked right up to the door and started rotating their beaks around. At this point I realized what they were up to and rolled the camera.